Are you getting annoyed because of that click sound while editing? Like, every editor went through this. Just listen to it. Do you hear that sound? Each time it went through the cut. Fixing this is easier than you think. All you have to do is just do a fade in and fade out, like this. 0.1 milliseconds. Why can I drag it? Like this. And the same here. And now? You don't hear anything. It's the easiest shit ever, bro.